Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm with my sister and my best friend.
Hello.
His name is Chris.
Shanvi.
Yeah, of course you know her. In some videos you know her.
Yeah.
So my record was 55 seconds, but in this video I will be attempting to beat that 55 seconds. In school I tried this, I got until 40 seconds, but I don't know if it will happen again. And he will be beating his record. His record
was 20 seconds.
Yep. So do you want to mix it, Jenny?
Yes, I like
And you
to
can mix it, or should I?
I'll mix it. Then I will mix the pyramid.
So I have my stopwatch here. First Chris will go. After that, the professional.
Okay.
Which is I, of course.
You can
should I? Thank you. Okay, so do you want to go first? Yeah.
Okay. The mix.
3. Hold it.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go. Okay, 1, 5 seconds. 10 seconds.
1 second. And now. What is it?
20 seconds. 24 seconds, guys. So a little bit, 4 seconds more, but it's okay.
Yeah.
You want to try again until you beat until like 19?
Yeah.
Okay, so first attempt 24. Reset. 3, 2, from on the table, please. 3, 2, 1, go. You're 10 seconds in.
Can I see?
16 seconds. Okay, you beat it. Good job.
Now,
15 seconds, guys. Now it's my turn.
Yeah.
Okay, you hold it.
Should I mix it?
Okay, mix it again. Maybe we can. Now his record, best record is 16 seconds. Mine is still 55 or 40 seconds from school. Okay, wait. I have to need. I'm scared. I'm nervous.
You can start and I will just mix.
Start.
Can do it.
What time is it? Time, please.
35 seconds up.
Oh no.
Oh no.
You got this. I think. Okay, wait a second.
Yeah.
Okay, now.
46 seconds. So
Okay, that's
we
pretty-
need to record.
Okay, that's 9 seconds less. But I'm going to try until 40 seconds.
Now try better and learn.
Okay.
That's how we.
You want to mix it again?
Yeah. I like it.
Okay. So the next one.
Yep.
I will try to go until 14. 40, not 14. 40 seconds. 40.
I'm almost going to done. It's just going to take
It's taken a
time.
long time, Shanvi.
I know. Okay.
Okay, so next round, I'll mix a little bit more.
Okay, get ready. Get more ready for the final round. Me not final.
Okay.
Okay. 3,
Starting.
2, 1.
Starting. Maybe and take a little look. Sneak peek. Yes. Okay.
Starting now.
Oh no. What's that? Time, please.
30 seconds up.
Okay, it's good.
38. Little bit tired. I will say stop when he's done, okay?
No.
Stop.
52 seconds. That's 3 seconds less. Still didn't make it.
Oh, you can do this one.
Yeah, maybe. Okay, so
Okay.
your one was 60 seconds? 16? Yeah. Okay.
And
Yeah, you know what? Leave that, shall we? Please.
no.
This will make.
Yeah, I have your phone on the other hand. So how do you compare the mix?
Okay, wait, sneak peek. That sneak peek again. Okay.
Okay. 3,
One more.
2,
Okay.
1, stop.
Okay. Get in. Whoo! Some hard work, eh? Yes. Then this goes there, then that, then bippity bap bap, boom, boom. Oh, yes, no. No, not like this. Not like this. Yep, like that. And just go.
30 seconds up.
Finished. 33 seconds. Wow, I can't beat myself. Well, I beat it, but I can't beat
The
yours.
record on the Pyramix was 41 seconds.
Yeah. So again.
Okay, again.
I will beat something in this video. This video's nothing. I have to beat something.
Okay.
So guys, Shani went and I have. Okay. I'm ready.
Okay. 3, 2, go!
Oh no. Let's start. Damn it. 9 seconds! 9 seconds! Oh! 9 seconds!
Sometimes.
Sometimes?
Yes.
Really sometimes?
Yes.
No?
Yes.
No?
Why did you do 40 seconds and I did 20 seconds?
That was not in the video.
Well, still, that counts.
Okay. Okay.
Yep.
Okay, that's good.
Come on. No.
So in this, so I did break something. Not break. I broke the record, but I didn't break mine. I did, but not under 40 seconds. So maybe that's next video. I will try to beat this the Rubik's Cube in 40 seconds. So guys, I will see you next time. Bye.